What's up, y'all? It's Kirsten from Path to Summit LLC, a virtual project management firm that provides project staffing, project guidance, and creates PMOs for organizations all over the globe. Leveraging the tools that you already use for communication with your project management software can be a game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send alerts to Slack from Asana. That way, you can streamline your notifications for projects from Asana instead of having all of your notifications go from your email to your phone to your wherever. Let's set up some project notifications from Asana directly into Slack. Let's go. Currently, I'm in the influencer marketing project within Asana. What I'm going to do is click on Customize in the upper right-hand corner. Next, I'm going to click on Rules. Within Rules, I'm going to click on Add. This pop-up menu gives you a lot of different pre-made recipes that you can utilize to create your rules. At the top, we have AI, and then below that, we have Recommended. Because this project uses dependencies between the tasks, I'm going to choose Task is no longer blocked, Send Channel Message. Right here, I need to set up Slack. I need to authenticate it between Asana and Slack, so I'm going to click on Connect to Slack. Next, I'm going to allow permission by clicking on Allow. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and click on Allow. Next, I'm going to configure this message for this rule. Choose a channel. For this, I'm going to choose our administration channel for an example. I'm going to write a message. What's really cool about this is we can actually detail the information right within this message, okay? So instead of saying a task, we can click on the plus. This task has recently become unblocked, right? So we can actually add these variables right in our message. I'm going to go ahead and push it back, take a look at it. When task is no longer blocked, do this. Yep, that's what I want to do. So let's click on Publish Rule. Now let's take a look and see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and define the business case here. It has some dependent tasks on it. As you can see, this became unblocked and this became unblocked. Let's check on Slack. I'm going to check on our admin channel, and here from the Asana app, task is no longer blocked. Here we go. And there you have it. Something so easy can be incredibly impactful. Streamlining our notifications between our project management tools and our communication tools that we use most often, such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, can really keep the focus on your project tasks. Try out other rules in Asana and see what else you can automate and streamline. Have questions? Comment below. We actually respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Path to Summit channel for more project management tips, tricks, and software tutorials.